At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you.
Today, November 30th, 2022, 5 investors betting big on Xpeng stock. Is the bottom in for XPEV stock? Xpeng brought in $960.9 million of revenue during third quarter. CEO Xpeng is the largest shareholder of Xpeng, although his stake is only accurate as of fourth quarter of 2021. Shares of XPEV stock are down by about 80% year to date. Shares of Xpeng, NYSE, XPEV, are up by more than 30% after the Chinese electric vehicle company reported its third quarter earnings. Revenue tallied in at $960.9 million, up 19.3% year over year, but missing the analyst estimate for $1.02 billion. The company also remains unprofitable, reporting a net loss of $336.16 million versus the estimate for a loss of $295.19 million. Revenue was driven by the delivery of 29,570 EVs during the quarter. That's up 15% year over year but down 14% from second quarter. Revenue from vehicle sales totaled $880 million, up 14.3% year over year but down 10.1% from second quarter. Finally, gross margin was 13.5%, down from 14.4% year over year. For November, President Brian Gu cautioned that deliveries would likely be below 6,000 EVs. However, December should be a strong month, with Gu estimating over 10,000 deliveries. With a miss on revenue and net loss and declining margins, investors are wondering why XPEV stock is up so much. That may be because some investors believe the bottom is in, and any other headwinds are fully priced in. Automobility CEO Bill Russo explained the gains are probably because the markets have punished them Xpeng and that this somehow puts the bad news in the rear view mirror and represents the bottom. 5 investors betting big on XPEV stock. Tracking institutional ownership is important, as these large investors provide liquidity and support for stocks. During third quarter, 249 13F filers reported owning XPEV, a decline of 40 filers from the previous quarter. In addition, the institutional put-to-call ratio lies at 0.86, down from 1.02 during second quarter. That's equivalent to 8.15 million puts and 9.53 million calls, reflecting a bullish option stance. With that in mind, let's take a look at the investors betting big on XPEV. Please note this list only includes investors who filed a third quarter position update. For example, CEO Xpeng owns 348.71 million shares, but that figure is only accurate as of fourth quarter 2021. 1. BlackRock, 20.12 million shares. BlackRock sold 1.2 million shares during third quarter. 2. Vanguard, 19.7 million shares. Vanguard purchased 356,174 shares during third quarter. 3. Fifth Delta, 15.93 million shares. Fifth Delta purchased 14.11 million shares during third quarter. 4. FMR, 13.22 million shares. FMR sold 8.19 million shares during third quarter. 5. PrimeCap Management, 11.02 million shares. PrimeCap purchased 2.48 million shares during third quarter.
Thanks for watching Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.